Have you ever noticed how something most people throw away every morning could quietly become the secret behind healthier tomato and cucumber plants? Many gardeners overlook this simple ingredient, but coffee grounds can help improve soil quality and support stronger plant growth when used the right way. First, take 2 tablespoons of dried coffee grounds and add them to 1 liter of water. Dried coffee grounds are important because they store better, reduce the risk of mold, and release nutrients more gradually into the soil. Stir well and let the mixture sit for 24 hours. During this time, beneficial compounds from the coffee grounds slowly infuse into the water, creating a natural plant tonic. The next day, you'll notice the water has turned a light brown color. This is a sign that the mixture is ready to use. Before applying it, remove weeds around your tomato and cucumber plants and gently loosen the top layer of soil. This improves airflow around the roots and helps the solution reach deeper into the root zone. Now pour about 200 to 300 milliliters of the coffee ground solution around the base of each plant. As it soaks into the soil, it helps improve moisture retention, adds organic matter, and supports beneficial microorganisms that keep the soil active and fertile. Tomato plants can benefit from stronger growth and healthier foliage, while cucumber plants can enjoy improved root activity and steady development. Pour the remaining liquid into a spray bottle and lightly spray the soil surface around the plants. This helps maintain a healthy growing environment and encourages beneficial soil life near the root zone. Use this method once every 2 to 3 weeks during the growing season. With consistent care, your tomato and cucumber plants can grow greener, stronger, and produce a more abundant harvest. Thanks for watching and happy gardening!